So summers has already started and so does our love for beaches. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. But this time I have an amazing DIY video for you in which I have shared an idea how to make the beach scene on a coconut shell. So without wasting much time, let's just go and watch this video. I just hope you like this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell us about your experience in the comment section below. And the time and the days I release my new video is Wednesday and Sunday, so you can watch every Wednesday and Sunday my new videos on my channel. Till then, thank you and bye bye.